Uh, Hello friends, we are here with another live video. You know that um, Army Dental Corps notice has been out, the call letter. So we are here with a discussion over the Army Dental thing. So waiting for all to join. Till then we are just looking for it. We will take few seconds, and then we will start the live discussion for Army Dental Corps. All the queries, and even if you have other queries also, you can post it in this, and then we can take it up. Yeah, just 2 seconds of time, and we will start discussing the things. Yeah, till then you can put up your queries over the comment box, then we can take up all the queries also regarding it. सर नीट एमडीएस का नोटिफिकेशन अभी तक नहीं आया. सी नीट एमडीएस notification everybody is talking about, we can have to wait for it, like, okay, it's not that easy to come, like, okay. And I think people are just take part in the tweet and the mailing part. We will discuss what can be done into it also. But first we are taking up the ADC, all the queries related to ADC, and what are the things. See, when they will release the official notice, like, still again it's a dilemma over everywhere, and the discussion is going on. So we're waiting for the news. So let's see when it comes. We are hoping it should come. uh, yeah, you can put up all your queries over here. We will take up one by one all your queries regarding it. Yeah. mm, या आर्मी डेंटल कॉप्स में बीडीएस फर्स्ट ईयर में वन पेपर एंड में सप्ली है, तो वो लोग देखते हैं क्या. सी दे एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स, दे सी, लाइक, सी, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स दे हैव बीन आस्किंग फॉर एडीसी. ओके, see, they have written in their service commission interview in the last, if you see in the notice, that refer your application for grant in the dental corps. Now you are requested to appear for the interview before dental thing in the can. The address is also given there, the Dhola Cow, the Dhola Kua, a date as mentioned in the appendix above. Okay, so here you have to also see, like, you have to appear the date they have mentioned at 8 a.m. only. Okay, you have to report there. Now secondly, if you are selected, then the medical fitness is also happening, which takes 2 to 3 days time after the interviews are over. Then they put up another notice for that, so you can take part into it. Now you can see, like, what things you have to take up with you at the time of verification that happens at the interview. Only all the original documents you also have to take it up. First is proof of age, like what is your age. Like, you can bring your high school certificate, birth certificate, and SSCL and municipality certificate. All the things can be counted. Even the motor ID can be counted if the date of birth is mentioned. Then you have to take up your scorecard of NEET MDS 2023. That is most important. Then the admit card of 2023 NEET MDS. If you cannot have that admit card, you can go on to the portal and you can get it. Now then you have to take up your dental registration certificate also, which is to be valid up to 31st of December 2023, which is very important. Then you have to take the final year mark sheet also, BDS MDS degree certificate if you hold anything, birth certificate, passport, voter ID, any of these if you have, you can provide them. Now the internship completion certificate also you need before 30th June 2023. So this is the basic thing that is being asked there. Now again, the no objection certificate is also there from the employer if you are being into a state institution working. And self-attested certificates as per information. See, whatever the originals you are taking up, you have to take a photocopy of those things with self-attested. Okay. Now one more important thing is one set of self-attestation photocopy of all the above documents. See, again I said all the above documents which are being mentioned, the you have to take the original one also, and with the photo stated self-attested one also. And you should have your 5 recent photocopies of photos also there, and the call letter that you have got. Okay. Now these are the thing you have to see. Okay. Now one thing is very important, like few students have not got the mail into their from the NBE side, or the call from the NBE side into their mail. So you should have to wait. Maybe they can send it tomorrow, or you can check your spam folder. You can find your mail copies. Okay. Yes, now we can take up all the queries which has been posted. सी आर्मी डेंटल कॉप्स में BDS फर्स्ट ईयर में 1 पेपर में सप्ली है, तो वो लोग देखते हैं क्या? नहीं, सी इफ यू हैव अ सप्ली इन फर्स्ट ईयर BDS, सी एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स ऑलवेज दे सी. ओके, so overall things they see, what the academic record you have, the questions that they are asking, how you are answering it, so everything they see. Mostly they prefer the MDS student as well. If there is any person who has done the MDS or who's doing the MDS, they prefer first them, then the BDS students. Okay. And then the criteria is of just 2 minutes, I will come back. Yes. See, sorry for the sorry for the like for the disturbance. See, again I will say, like they don't like take up the academic records. If you have got first, see, the criteria is like, if a person is doing MDS, so they prefer MDS first, because see, always a higher degree person will be preferred first. Okay. So that is very important to understand. Hello. Yes. So that is very important to understand, that the higher degrees is first taken up into consideration, and then the BDS can be taken up. And now first, like, there was inequality between that, the girls seat were less, so now they have increased it, and a case was being filed this year only, and the equality has reached, so they have increased the girls quota seat also. See, now the difficulty is, like, see, there is another criteria for ADCs. They always choose the experienced one also. If you have got a good experience with the clinical things, then there is a chance that they can take up, if you have a experience letter or something you have worked, so you should show there that you know these type of clinical things. Because see, for any post you are applying, if you are having an experience also, it act as a booster, because nobody wants to take up any no or a fresher. So that is the thing can matter into it. Now talking about the ranking, that sir, I have got one very important question everybody asks, sir, I have got the higher rank, and if I have got the lower rank than this, so will I be preferred or not? See, at once you reach there for the call interview, they see the NEET MDS rank also, but that is another stake. Okay, So your interview questions will also be there. So you can see like some people who are getting the higher rank also are not selected, and the lower rankers are selected because they see something else on the basis of criteria. Okay. The experience they see, they see how your academic records were there. If you have got a supply, don't worry, they will consider it. If first year one supply is there, no worry is there. It can be a drawback, but cannot be like much that you cannot be selected. They see overall personality. Okay. And what type of question they ask, only they ask the clinical questions. So prepare, just read your pulse, don't go anywhere here and there and do some extra thing. You already have scored some very good rank, so you already know what the knowledge of dental pulse. You have to just revise that dental pulse, mostly focus on the clinical part of the dental pulse, like the dental clinical part. Okay. And if you are doing MDS, then please be very specific with your subject, that the particular department that you are having right now. If any other doubt is there, sir, some tips regarding. See, they will prefer the BDS mostly, but if there are MDS students also, they will prefer MDS also, because many MDS passed out students also give the NEET, so that if their age limit is down and they want to participate in ADC, so they can get it. Okay. सर कोई टिप्स बताओगे क्या एग्ज़ाम के लिए? See, what kind of tips is that? See, you have to, again I have said, like focus on your clinical part. You already have a good rank because they have asked like till top rankers only. So you already have a good rank. Have a belief. Whatever you have read during your NEET MDS thing, you just read it out again. Okay, but focus on the dental subject part, the dental clinical subject part more, and then the basic subjects. Sir, any upcoming government dental vacancies? See, whatever the government dental vacancies comes, we always post it on our Instagram, so don't worry, you can find it out. Sir, sir, can it exam March 3rd week? See, again I'm saying, like for the NEET MDS exam, that it can be in the March 3rd week. So it's not decided. It was just a news article came, and many have called today also, and still they are like the NB is saying like in a confused way. So don't worry. Let's see what comes. What you can do is just tweet and mail what is going on right now. Just continue doing it, and let's see what fight we can do. What is the sir, where can we see the notification regarding the interview? We already have posted in our dental vacancy group on the Telegram. Whatever the Telegram groups we have, like 50 to 60 Telegram groups we have in everywhere, we have updated. We have got our social media platform also, we have posted all the notice. Even in the reel form, we have posted everything of the notice, every page of the notice. If you want, if you are not finding the interview wala thing, then you can take every page of the notice in our Instagram reel or the YouTube shorts. Other than dental knowledge, what else topic they can ask? See, what else topic is very important. This is a very important question that you have asked. See, first of all, they will ask you the clinical question, and second, see, most general questions in the interview is, why are you here for this post? Why do we select you? So some general questions are there, because from the panel of expert, from the subject expert, also from the dental part also, there will be the medical captain, there will be, and some other doctors will be, some psychology doctor will be there. So they always see everything. Okay. So you need to understand that once the question is being asked, like you have to like prepare for it. That's why we are starting the mock interview of Army Dental Corps. We are taking it up so that you can get some insight of it, and you can take it up. Okay, so we have started our mock the Army Dental Corps mock interviews. You can take part, as we have started for the UPPSC mock interviews. A lot of people are selected, and they are been taking part into it. So it's like that. So you can take our mock interviews, because I always say, when you are going to for an exam, some mock thing should be there, as either a mock test or a mock interview, so that whatever the mistakes you are going to do at the same time at that day, you can correct it. Okay, so just play a pre-match. That's why the practice matches are there whenever you go for a match. Are they concentrate on army? See, they concentrate. See, dental corps is not like you will be posted on the LOC or something. Like you will be dealing with the dental hospital only, the army hospital only. So like you should need to understand that you should have that skill of the all the other things. Okay, like all the clinical skills, so they will be asking the clinical questions as well. And for the army wala thing, they select on the medical fitness also, because many are people are selected in the interview but they are not selected in the medical fitness. So try working on that also once the thing. See, mock interview we conduct every time when you take our mock interview thing. Then we will give you a scheduled time, and then at that time we can conduct your mock interview. You can WhatsApp on the number that has been given on our. We will release advertisement for it. Don't worry, you can join by seeing that. What is the cutoff for this year? So they haven't mentioned the cutoff right now in anywhere. So let's see what's the cutoff was been there. Okay, what they have done the cutoff. If they have are sharing it, we will definitely will post it over our online platform for it. Sir, for ADC, what we can do for the preparation, or we have to do. See, again, I said like you don't have to do a very other than what you have studied for the NEET MDS exam. That thing only you have to concentrate. Just basic, you should concentrate on your pulse. Okay, don't run here and there what they can ask. You can have some current affairs also. You can you can see the lucent and all the current affairs. Some YouTube videos, short YouTube videos are there for something like for current affairs if they can ask. But that is also not they are asking much. They are asking for the clinical questions only much. And then you can they can ask something like some general questions like why should we give you this post, why you think like you are you are preferable, you are the right person for this post, why you have applied for it. So these type of general question also they ask, so that they want to know that what kind of attitude you have. And for this, and this is SSC exam, this is an SSC selection. So SSC selection is like this is like short service commission. It's not a permanent commission selection. Whoever are selected, they are for short service commission for 5 to 6 years. After the age of 30, they have to give the permanent service commission exam. If they clear it, then they are permanently posted as a captain. Okay, you will get a post of captain and everything. The things will be there, but it's a short service commission exam. Okay, the interview it is for the post. For the permanent commission, another exam happens once you take it at that time. Then you can take it up. Okay, what is the dress code? General dress code you can wear in your call. And first read your call interview letter. In that, if a particular dress code is there, then you can wear that dress code, or else you can wear whatever the normal dress code is there for an interview. Okay, nothing more. Rest for the for these type of question also we can we take up our mock interview things, so you can take part into it. And we always decide, and we will explain that how to just appear. And so what in the mock interview you give us to, what information you give us in the see, the mock interview is like the interview you can have it on the same day. So we just try to give you our overlook over the call session only, so that you can have an idea how the mock interview looks. So how your real interview can be. So that's why it's a mock interview. Once you take up your our mock interview, you will understand that that we will be guiding you like how to express yourself, how to present yourself, everything. What are the basic things, because in the interviews, very basic things nobody guide, how to sit, how to present yourself, how to do something. So these are the very basic steps. They see, once you enter in that room, there are people who are seeing you from the time you enter into it. Okay, so your interview starts from there only. Once you enter into that arena of that interview, so you should always think in mind that they are following every of your move. So some that basic also we give up, like how you can attend it, how you can give it, how you what you can do. So these type of things we give in our mock interview. सर नीट एमडीएस एग्ज़ाम अभी तक पोस्टपोन नहीं हुआ है, क्या किया जाए, हम केस कर सकते हैं क्या? See what I say, like, see, doing case in Supreme Court is not an easy bit of thing. We have done it in the 2022 with our advocate Sumant Nukula sir. At that time it wasn't easy, and it's not easy if you are doing a case for the NEET MDS for postponement. First, the court cases are not ready to see these type of cases, but first you have to wait for the notice that if the exam, the date they are saying like it's on 3rd, if they are saying that the date of the exam is on the 18th of March, then you should know about it, like that exam is on 18th of March. If they are saying and the notice comes, then only you can prove with the evidence now that the NEET PG exam is this and we are having the exam like this, so that you can form a case now. So until something is there, not a concrete thing is there, how a case can be done? So you should understand a basic thing. If you are going with the case, our suggestion will be wait for the notice, and then if it comes against you, then only you can move forward with the case. That also, like, once the date is been decided, it's very difficult that they will change it. But if you want to try your luck and you want to fight it for the till the last end for the case also, then you have to wait for at least for a notice to come, so that on which basis you will prepare your arguments. Don't worry, we will guide with that also for the case. If you want to do for the postponement, if something comes like negative and the exam is on, if the notice comes like for the 18th of March, then we can see what we can do at that time. Okay, it's not like it's a one day game that you can today you thought for the case and tomorrow you did it. Okay, we are okay, come back, we are coming back with the ADC thing. Yes, sir, I don't have my Aadhaar card and PAN card, and I don't have my birth certificate also. What to do? Arey dog, see, it's, don't hesitate. Birth certificate, you don't require the exact birth certificate. They have mentioned a document should be there on which your date of birth is mentioned. Only they want to see that. Even if you have class 12th pass certificate, that also with the date of birth mentioned, you can take that. Okay, sir, मैंने registration नहीं कराया है dental counseling. So you just do that registration. It just take a week off. Just take a week, you can do your registration. Okay, but you have to do that. Any other question, any other doubt is there regarding this? सर आप लेते नहीं हो हमारा वीडियो लाइव पे, हमें बुलाते नहीं हो. सी इफ इट्स पॉसिबल फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट टाइम वी आर ट्राइंग लाइक फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू बी एंटर इन टू द लाइव वीडियो, बट लेट्स सी. एनी अदर क्यूरी इज देयर, यू कैन आस्क. सर WDS वाला आपका चल रहा है क्या mock interview? Yes, we are still running with the WBDS mock interviews we have done in the past. So you can see like a lot of students took our mock interview and they were guided by us. So no worry, you can take it up. So yeah. Okay. सर बहुत एंजाइटी हो रहा है, एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन नहीं हो रहा. सी अगेन आई विल से फॉर द एग्ज़ाम, लाइक बी वेरी करेजियस, बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक विद इट. डोंट वेस्ट योर लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. स्टडी एंड वॉट एवर विल हैपन विल सी. Yeah, true. Yes. Your 10th mark sheet is well is enough for you. Is enough for you. Yeah, see, I again say one thing, like don't be like very in the anxious, like we have to prepare this, we have to prepare that. See, I always say work in a one direction. You already have that mindset. Okay, you whoever are like are selected right now, are called for the interview, or the top rankers. Okay, so you already have that mindset of your preparation. In if see, I always say, once you are in top 3000 in your NEET MDS ranking, so there is a very less thin line difference between the topper and those things, because only 1 to 2 marks can give you a difference of 4 to 500 ranks. So don't ignore yourself. Like, this is a very good opportunity, like to serve for the country. Okay, and even you can go with the things. Okay, so it's not like it's a bad thing. You can just take it on. Sir, tips do to please. I'm just saying, like, whatever the tips, we will be having another ADC session and everything. With that, don't worry about it. We will be having everything once is out. Yeah, you can post any query about we will take it one by one. Sir, सर कोई और भी जॉब वैकेंसी है क्या? सी, आई हैव जस्ट पोस्टेड वॉट एवर द जॉब वैकेंसी. त्रिवेंद्रम वन त्रिवंतरमपुरम जॉब वैकेंसी इज देयर. वी हैव पोस्टेड दैट ऑल्सो. यू कैन चेक इट ऑन आवर इंस्टा पेज. डोंट वरी, वॉट एवर द थिंग्स आर देयर वी ऑलवेज पुट इट अप. Yeah, true. Okay. Yeah, this is the thing. So if any other query is there, you can even DM us anytime, and you can post over our comment section also, over our Instagram and YouTube. We will be we will be answering every query regarding ADC. If any other query is there, you can post it on. If you cannot, post it on over the Insta. And this is the thing. Yeah, we will have another live video for the ADC thing. Don't worry. Now we are running out of time. So if any other query is there, you can put it up, and we will take it down. That the query. Another 1 or 2 minutes are left to end the live video. सर MDS का एग्जाम पोस्टपोन होगा कि नहीं? सी, द MDS एग्जाम पोस्टपोन इज हैपनिंग, बट द डेट इज नॉट डिसाइडेड विच डेट कैन बी. So just take part in the tweet and mail, whatever the things you can do right now. Okay, I think all the queries we have taken. If any query is left, you can DM us on our Instagram and YouTube also, or you can post it over the comment section. We will take it up and we will answer the query. Thank you for attending this live.